Students, I, JVN Himanshu Suraiya, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today's our session is information rate. Before starting information rate, last day I have discussed about entropy or average information. What is the information? How to solve average information? What is the formula of average information? I have discussed last day. Today I will discuss about information rate. What is the rate? Information are passed through transmitter to receiver. Let information rate. Information rate is represented by R. It means R equals to R cross H, where small r is rate of the message are generated, and H is the entropy or average information I have discussed last day. So formula of capital R equals to R in message per second and H is bits per second. So final formula with unit is capital R equals to R cross H bits per second, because messages and messages are cancelled about this. Then R is equals to bits per second in units. Now we explain about some example for information rate. Example 1. In the transmission scheme of 2B message per second, calculate information rate if all 4 messages are equally likelihood. There are 4 messages, M1, M2, M3 and M4, and its probability is P1, P2, P3 and P4. According to the question, 4 messages are equally likelihood. It means P1 equals to P2, P2 equals to P3 and P3 equals to P4. It means P1 equals to P2 equals to P3 and P4. And according to the probability theorem, P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 equals to 1, because total probability equals to 1. So P1 equals to P2 equals to P3 equals to P4. Let assume P. It means 4P equals to 1 by 4. It means finally P1, P2, P3 and P4 equals to 1 by 4. And we use entropy, because information rate depend on entropy. H is the entropy or average information. There is the formula of the average information. This is the formula of average information. H equals to P1 log 2 1 upon P1 plus P2 log 2 1 upon P2 and so on, because there are 4 probability. So this formula is consider P1, P2, P3 and P4. Or according to the question, all probability are same. It means 4 times of P log of 2 1 upon P. If we solve this formula using calculator, output is 2 bits per messages. Now again we assume another example and how to solve this type of example. Consider a telegraph source having 2 symbols, dot and dash. The dot duration is the 0.2 second and the dash duration is the 3 times of the dot duration. The probability of the dot occurring is twice that of the dash, and the time between symbol is 0.2 second. Calculate the entropy of the information source and also find information rate. We know that information rate equals to small r into H, where small r bits per messages and H is entropy. According to the question, dot duration is 0.2 second and dash duration is 3 times of the dot duration. So 3 cross 0.2 equals to 0.6 second. According to the question, probability of dot is 2 times of the probability of dash and space between the symbols 0.2 second. We know that p dot plus p dash equals to 1 because total probability is equals to 1. P plus 2p equals to 1 because p dash is the 2 times of the p dot. It means 3p equals to 1 or p equals to 1 by 3. The probability of the dash equals to 1 by 3 and probability of the dot equals to 2 by 3. This 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 are used in average information or entropy. This is the formula of average information and entropy. Hx equals to p dot log 2 1 upon p dot plus p dash log 2 1 upon p dash. Hx is equals to 2 by 3. P dot value is 2 by 3. So Hx is equals to 2 by 3 log 2 3 by 2 because 1 upon p dot plus 1 by 3 and log 3. Output of this session is 0.3899 and output of this session is 0.5283. Total average information is 0.9182 bits per symbol. And finally, information rate equals to R cross H. But here in this question, R is not given. Given is average time symbol TS. TS equals to T dot cross P dot plus T dash cross P dash plus T space. T dot 0.2 second according to the question. P dot 2 by 3. It is also given. T dash 0.6. P dash 1 by 3 and T space 0.2 given. Total TS average time symbol is 0.5333 seconds per symbol, and we know that R equals to 1 by TS because R is inversely proportional to time. So R is 0.875 symbols per second. So finally, information rate equals to R cross H, where R is 1.875 and H is 0.9182. Final output is 1.72 bits per second. Thank you.